Hey guys and girls, my name's Dan, welcome back to The Forge. In this episode of Trust Me, I'm a blacksmith. I'm going to make this rose. So, this is affectionately known as the Russian, or the Russian rose. It's a single piece of metal forged into a rose. I believe it's called the Russian because the blacksmith that came up with it was a Russian guy. So that's pretty straightforward, right? Anyway, they're really easy to do. There's a little bit of fiddly bit to get the stem to come out nicely, but I think they look great. They're great fun to make. They're quite. The one thing I don't like about them is the backs tend not to be very good. But you know, if this was a piece and you had a couple of roses coming up, this is a great way to make roses. They look really nice. They've got lovely texture about them, and I think they're great. Lowe made a video of him making one of these. He's making that rose for my girlfriend. You trying to muscle in, Ian? Ian does a really good job on his video. It's a two-part series, so I'll put a link to the first part in the description. Go and check that out, please, because this will show you how to make this even better. He does it slightly different to me. I made mine in about 40 minutes, which I think is pretty good going. Normally I mess around with these for hours. And the only one I've ever made that's been any good is the one that I gave to Ella when we first got together, some many moons ago now. Anyway, I think they're great. Have a go at trying it yourself at home. Watch the video. I think I missed the first part where I got the wrap turned around because I was flapping and rushing. Basically all I did was jam it in the vise and just wang it round. It worked really well. Hopefully I did get that on video, but I can't quite remember. Anyway, enjoy. I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so I've got myself a piece of 20 by 8mm mild steel, or 1/4 inch by 5/16, and all I'm going to do is draw this down into a stem. So I've taken this to about 8mm square, then 8mm octagon, and now I'm just taking the corners off the octagon just to get it round, so it's a nice 8mm round stem. You can go as thin or as fat as you like with these, it's completely up to you. I'm just working from one end back the other way, just taking that round. That took all of 5 minutes to do, that did. What I now need to do is thin this out a little bit, so I'm just going to and the edge furthest away from the stem really needs to get nice and thin. Alternatively, you can use a cross peen. Okay, I just cut this off using an angle grinder. You can do it with a hot chisel or whatever. And as far as the length goes, it's completely 100% up to you. Get your material nice and thin. This thickness of material, you can work it a little bit colder than normal. In Ian's video, he segregated off circles, but I've never done that. I've only ever marked it this way, and it's sort of just gone from there, really. But his way worked really well. So thank you for joining me, I hope you enjoyed this video. Also go and check out Ian's video, you will really enjoy those if you enjoyed this video. It's a great project. I tried to do as much of this on the anvil and the vise as possible without using any fancy tools. Ian does use a very nice guillotine tool to put his set downs in, and to be honest with him, he does a really good job of his. Mine is a bit rushed. But go and definitely check out his channel. I really recommend it, especially if you're a beginner. Ian runs some sort of community blacksmithing group thingy whereby he helps young people learn new skills. I also think it's good to go and check out the rest of his videos. I don't know if he's covered much of that on his channel, but anyway, go and check it out. I think it's really good. Thank you for joining me. If you did enjoy this video, remember to leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already, and if you are already a subscriber, please remember to ring that bell for notifications, because it tells you every time I make a video, and I make videos as often as possible. Chuck a comment down below what you thought of this. Say hello to Ian if you see him in the comments as well, that'd be lovely. So thank you for joining me, guys. I will leave a link up here to a video of me making something else that isn't a tool. I'll leave a video down here of another video of something. This is my Patreon, please go and check that out. That's a great way to support the channel. And down here is my subscribe button. Click on that. There it is, click it. Go on, click it. You know what?